This is Orion Uptown Mall, and here this fun league is going on for kids, and it will be till 5th May. So let's enter. This is the main mall, and they have a hotel, Holiday Inn here, and left side that is Brigade Golden Triangle apartment, and straight away if you can see that fun event is going on there. Also they have some food stalls also here, some ice cream pull or some corn chaat, anything. So this is just the entry of that mall. Means if you're coming by car, so actually you have to come down from there, and there only the event is going on. So this is their ticket counter, and here we can see the type of coupons available. The highest one is 350. There we can play almost 16 kind of games. Then Discover 250, 16 kind of games here also. Next one at 200. No, that is not 16. That is the number of that game. So there is a fun league going on in Orion Uptown Mall from 19th April to 5th May. So where they have multiple fun events. And one good thing is that all things you can spend under 200 rupees, means you have to buy a 200 rupees ticket like this. So here it is included roller coaster, jumping, then paddle boat, frog hop, music buzzer, hook the duck, and super twins. So now I came with my kid, and she just went to this one. So this coupon is gone. Now other activity we can do here, like below. So this is just the back side of Orion Uptown Mall. It is placed in Old Madras Road. So nearby the Hoskote toll gate will be there. This is the jumping game. This is, they are saying, bungee jumping. I think it is for kids above 5 years or something maybe. Oh, this is paddle boat. This is actually fun. This any kid can enjoy. They have created artificial pool kind of thing, and there you can paddle your boat. Kids are really enjoying the boating experience. I think that side, that is the door actually. There directly you can enter to this Brigade apartment, to the mall. This is Ride a Bull game. I think it is quite famous in Spain or something, right? Okay, here you have to hold your balance, otherwise you will fall off this bull. Oh, now that speed increased. Now they are rotating left and right. It is hard to stay on the bull. Okay. Okay, he fell down. This is another kind of fun activity game. I think it's full of bubble pillow kind of, where kids can jump but they will not get hurt. I think it is too big, like from that side you have to enter, then it's very long. Okay, so you have to cross this one, then they have some barriers and all. Oh. Lots of things to enjoy. Actually, it's the big version of that jumping thing. So they have so many kind of barriers and all. So you have to cross that, and from here till there, that long, you can cross this and enjoy. That apartment you can see, right, adjacent to this mall, that is Brigade Golden Triangle. That is also in the main road. So this is just the back side of that Orion Mall, Orion Uptown Mall to be precise. This is the roller coaster. Oh, so mini version of roller coaster. Just only one lap you have to complete. and only this part is the elevation part. Not much difficult, but obviously for kids it is a bit challenging. I think this bungee jumping is actually a good thing to do here. It will add a very good experience among the kids to get away fear about height and all. Here they have made one open stage. I don't know, their Cartoon Network is written. They have like doing collaboration with Cartoon Network or not, I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, now up we have the Powerpuff Girls making their grand entry on the stage. So all the kids join me right here. Entry on the stage. Powerpuff Girls, join me on the stage, yes.
So in front of the entry gate also they have a couple of other games like Super Twins, Hook the Duck, Music Bazaar and all those things. So this is just entrance of that gate. You will find these stalls. This is Frog Hop game. Frog Hop. Oh. This is Music Bazaar game where we have to pass this thing around this, so that it wouldn't touch. So please visit this place before 5th May. It will be really great if you are coming with your kids. They will really enjoy. And 6 rides within 200 rupees. It is hard to get inside Bangalore anywhere. So please do visit and enjoy.